Hello students, welcome to the class. In the last video, we already discussed about the topic called the variables. So here I'm going to begin the topic with the same topic, that is variable. Okay, last day only introduction I have gave. Okay, I had given. So in this class I will explain the topic variable completely. So as I already explained what is a variable is a combination of two words, that is vary and able. Okay, vary plus able, so that become vary means change, so it becomes changeable. Okay, so the things which is changeable, that is called the variable. Okay, so what is the use of the variables? The variables are used to store values. Okay, so values in if I explain you, if I give you example, the simple example, just like the container. Okay, so container, घर पे होगा ना कंटेनर जिसमें आप मॉम रखती हैं वो शुगर्स एंड सॉल्ट और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्पाइसेस, masala. Okay, so that container, so suppose this container contains 1 kg when it is full. So full, जब फुल है तो उसका कंटेनर का साइज क्या है, वेट कितना है, 1 kg कैन होल्ड, दिस कंटेनर कैन होल्ड 1 kg. देन आफ्टर व्हेन यू यूज दिस द अमाउंट ऑफ दिस और द थिंग्स इनसाइड दिस, द वैल्यू विल बी चेंजिंग. 1 किलो था, हाफ kg आ गया, 250 ग्राम्स आ गया, एंड एट लास्ट इंड हो गया. सो द मेन पर्पज इज दिस कंटेनर विच इज यूज टू होल्ड समथिंग. ओके, एंड विद द टाइम it will change. So that's the same thing we are using in the program, that is variable. Variable means what? Changeable. The something which can be changed is called the variable. Okay, so suppose this is, okay, here the container is our memory, and this memory is used to hold some values like this. Okay, and after this, firstly we can store 10, or after this, after some time we want to store here 5, so the value will be changed from 10 to 5. so this is called the variable. change ना, value change हो गई, पहले 10 था अब कितना हो गया, 5 हो गया. so this is changeable, that is variable. okay, so variable is nothing, just the named memory location. जो आपके पास मेमोरी है कंप्यूटर में, that is उसको आप एक छोटा सा नाम दे दो, that is named memory location. suppose मैंने अभी यहाँ ड्रॉ किया था बॉक्स एक. okay, so this is the box or the memory. suppose this one memory, and if I give this name as A. okay, so this memory location named as A, so A is the variable. okay, अभी आप बोलोगे सर अभी तो आप बताए थे A is character. okay, I will come to that point, please be patient. okay, so first of all, how to declare a variable. How to declare a variable. अब वेरिएबल को प्रोग्राम में डिक्लेयर कैसे करेंगे. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ थिंग सबसे पहले लिखना पड़ता है क्या, डेटा टाइप. ओके, उसके बाद लिखना पड़ता है वेरिएबल नेम, यानी जो नाम से आप वेरिएबल बना रहे हो, एंड इसके इक्वल्स होता है वैल्यू. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डेटा टाइप, variable name and value. I already explained what is data type. There are 4 types of data types are there by default, that is int, double, character and char and string. So data type you may use like this. If I write here int and variable name as A and the value as 5. okay, int a5. So what is the meaning of int a5? Int a5 means the variable a, this one is the variable name, this one is the data type, and this one is the value, and sometimes this value is also called constant. Okay, value is also called constant. Why? Because this value cannot be changed. आप 5 equals 10 नहीं कर सकते. आप 5 का मतलब 5. Okay, आप 10 को 5 नहीं बोल सकते. Okay, that's why this one is constant, fixed. 5 means fixed. This is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. मत बोलना थम है ये. ठीक है? This I am just counting 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5. Okay, इसको आप नहीं बोल सकते कि 4 है. आप 5 ही बोलोगे. Okay, so this is the how to declare a variable. So okay, now the question comes, sir आपने बोला था a is the constant. Okay, so first of all, whenever we want to use this as the character, let me explain how to write. Like char b equals a. So when you write the things inside the single inverted comma, if you write some character, some letter inside single inverted comma, then it is considered as the character. Okay, be careful. देखो यहाँ मैंने क्या लिखा, सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा लिखा ना, सिंगल इन्वर्ट एपोस्ट्रॉफी जिसको बोलते हो आप लोग इन इंग्लिश, तो here it is single inverted comma. Here no apostrophe is there, so here it is called single inverted comma. Okay, there are two types of commas are there. अगर हमने यहाँ पे string लिखा है, data type is string and variable name is suppose a, and if you write like this, so see here it is double inverted commas. Okay, so double inverted comma होगा तो वो string होगा, single inverted comma होगा then it is considered as the character. Okay, so depends on where. अब ये character नहीं है because there is no single inverted comma here, and this one considered as the variable name. And remember one thing, you may use anything as the variable name. Anything means character, letter, but there is certain rules. I will send the rules how to declare our variables, okay, later on. But firstly explain, concentrate here. This is the variable, and you may use any kind of variable names like, चलो यहाँ b रहने दो, यहाँ से हम चीज़ दिखाते हैं. Okay, so suppose int, so binay. Okay, so int binay, that means this is the variable name. Normally we used to take small variables name, small names as a variable, because हमको वेरिएबल्स फर्दर यूज करना है प्रोग्राम में, और जितना बड़ा लिखेंगे उतनी बार हमको पूरा टाइप करना पड़ेगा. ओके, प्रोग्राम से उतना बड़ा लिख, जैसे हमने विनय लिया, अब फर्दर जब भी हम प्रोग्राम में इसको यूज करेंगे तो द वैल्यू ऑफ विनय इज 5, और एवरीवेयर वी हैव टू राइट विनय. ओके, इन द प्रोग्राम फर्दर, और जब प्रोग्रामिंग करोगे देन यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो दिस विनय, दिस वेरिएबल नेम Binay is the variable name. So the basic funda is there, the mota things is there, that you may use anything as the variable name, any name, we can give any name of the variables. Okay, so Binay 5 int b equals a and string a equals b. Okay, so I think the thing is clear, what is the variable and how to declare the variable. The next thing reserved keyword. Okay, reserved keyword क्या होता है? The things which are already used by our program and that the programmer will not use. Okay, वो पहले से ही defined है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? reserved keyword. पहले आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं बट आप उसको दोबारा से डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते। ओके, जैसा आप उसको डिफाइन किया गया है आपको एज इट इज वैसा ही यूज करना पड़ेगा। दैट मीन्स दैट थिंग्स आर ऑलरेडी देयर डिफाइंड देयर इन द प्रोग्रामिंग लाइब्रेरी। ओके, पहले से ही डिफाइन कर दिया गया है, ठीक है, तो उसको एज इट इज यूज करना होगा। तो दैट इज रिजर्व कीवर्ड, फिक्स्ड है वो, जो यूज के लिए बना है दैट इज फिक्स्ड। लाइक नाउन, अब the definition of noun is fixed. You cannot change the definition of noun. So noun is the reserve. Okay, so the same thing is there. The things which are reserved here, that is the words which are already reserved in the library of the program that cannot be changed, and that word is known as the reserve keyword. Like if you remember the example of the previous day of the syntax of the Java program, we need to write something like this: class is written there, okay, public is written there, void is written there, okay, like variable names like int, double, sorry, not variable names, data types, string, character. So these things are fixed. Okay, so you cannot use like this system, print. Okay, so there are lots of keywords are there, so I will also give the list of the key reserved keywords, okay, when I provide the notes. So these are the reserved keyword which you cannot use, you may use in the program but you cannot redefine the words. I think this much is enough for today's video. In the next video I will come with the more topic of your chapter. Okay, slowly we will proceed to the programming part. Okay, so firstly you must understand these theory part and these things which help you to write the program, and I also request you to keep revising that flowchart and the program which I told you in the flowchart. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day. Keep revising flowchart, it's my instructions to you. Thank you.